Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how silver has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you have seen, the silver is currently trading at around 19.240. And if you look at most of the that means if you look at gold chart also, you have seen there is a sharp fall we have seen. Okay, and this is because of the economic data we have seen. The Chinese economic data was very weak. Because of the war situation, Chinese data was weak, so probability is very high. Because of that, we have seen there is a fall in this particular silver. Okay, and other reasons are also there. So suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, which is at a high probability, we can see the silver price can move further down. Okay, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Full video so that you understand how it works, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see? Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of 19.052. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then there is a high probability we can see it can fall further low and can touch a level of 18.331. And keep this in mind, 18.331 is a weak support, so probability will be very high. We can see it can fall further down and can touch a level of 17.910. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around 17.610. Suppose if the price fall below that level, then there is a high probability it can touch a level of around 16.7. If the price didn't sustain this particular level of 17.610, then we can see a level of 16.7. If the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further down. Now you have to understand something, that if this particular support, this is the support, what we can see is quite a strong support, so we can see a bounce back from this level, or if this level didn't sustain, then there is a probability we can see it can move further down. So suppose if this particular level sustain, because there is a probability, market is always uncertain, you have to understand this. Okay, you cannot predict that market will go down and down and down like this, or it cannot move sharply on the upside. Okay, you have to be ready whether the market comes down or move up. You have to be set your stop loss as well as your limit for the day risk, so that you can manage your risk properly. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $19.553, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of around $20.350. Okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability we can see it can touch a level of $20.650. Okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of 20.960. Okay, and this 20.960 is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of $21.577. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability we can see it can touch a level of $22, and from there we can see it can go further upside. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go and touch a level $22.5, and if the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability of moving further upside, because this range has not come since 2-3 months, so probability is high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level 23, and once the price touch 23, then we can see it can go. Once the price goes above a level of 22.9, then there is a high probability we can see it can touch a level $23.5, and from there we can see it can go further upside. If the price goes above 23, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. And any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.